If you're looking for a student accommodation as sweet, simple, and warm as home, then Windsor Hall in Gainesville is what you need. Choose from stylish 2, 3, 5, or 6 bedroom apartments and studios for a comfy bed, spacious closet, and a fully equipped kitchen with your own refrigerator, dishwasher, and microwave. Say goodbye to laundromat runs with the available on-site laundry. Get access to high-speed Ethernet, 24/7 maintenance, pest control, and secure electronic entry already covered in your rent for a hassle-free stay. You can switch up your study sessions in the study lounge, catch a break in the brand new 24-hour clubhouse, or soak up golden hour views on the sun deck. Oh, and the University of Florida and Santa Fe College are just minutes away, so getting to campus is truly effortless. You can also catch a bus from Sorority Row to explore the city or get a train from Palatka Station to venture beyond. So come and secure your spot at Windsor Hall via amberstudent.com in Gainesville today.